beautiful people. Genie's in the house. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yes, sir. Welcome back, y'all, to my channel. Today, we are going to do a drugstore makeup look. We're going to rock it today. So, our brand that we're using today is Maybelline. We're going to use Maybelline foundation. We're going to use a Maybelline palette. We are going to use, because everything is in front of me right now. The only thing I don't have of Maybelline is I don't have a concealer from Maybelline, nor do I have a contour palette from Maybelline. But I'm going to show you guys how I contour without concealer. So I hope you guys are ready. Thank you so much for tuning back in. And yeah, let's get to it. Let's beat this face. All right, so as you guys could already see, my eyebrows are already done. I love doing my brows first. Just, you know, I don't know. It's just something I do every time. Even when I'm going live or whatever, I always do my brows first. That's my technique. I do my eyes first and then I do complexion. I repeat myself all the time. You cannot really make a mistake. It's makeup. It's art. Just really have fun with it. There's no wrong or right way. It's however you want to do it. You do you, boo, as my girl Shameless Maya would say. Shout out. I love her. One subject that I really want to start talking about is money. Money in the form of what to charge, how to charge, and most importantly, when we're doing business with men, how afraid we tend to get to ask for what we're owed, to ask for what's ours, to ask for what we know we deserve. I live in Morocco, and rich Moroccans rich people never want to pay anyways. They want everything for free. That's rich people in general. Ooh, I'm loving my blend. Y'all see my blend? Okay. That's rich people in general. They're not about that life. They're about give me everything for free. So as a woman doing business with men, like, it's very hard for a lot of women to stand up and be like, nah, sis, nah, bruh, you gonna pay my money. And I don't understand why we're like that. And most women in general, we're afraid to ask for what we deserve. And funny enough, a man will not have that with you. A man, pay him his money, period. Like, we're not even going to have this conversation. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think when it comes to women in business and women in money. Because I really find it quite interesting how uncomfortable women are asking for money. They're afraid to not be judged, being like, oh, you're all about money, or, you know what I mean, she's being a bitch. They love calling us a bitch. When we are defending ours, they love calling us a bitch. And I'm like, why? I don't get it. But a guy, never. A man, absolutely never would they be like, oh my God, he's a bitch. He's an asshole for asking me for. No, they give him what he's owed. And I think us women, if we stop that, if we stop making excuses or feeling this kind of way and just stand up for what we're owed, it's going to change the narrative. I don't have time for none of that. like, if I work for my money, and then when it's time to pay me, you have the excuse that your wife got sick, your daughter had school, or whatever it is in your personal life, that's not my problem, because you run a business. And all this should have been in your business strategies or losses or whatnot. Like, your extra expenses have nothing to do with me getting paid. Because you know what? Me too, I have kids. Me too, I need some hair. Me too, I need to get my nails done. Me too, I need my lipstick. Me too, I need food. Me too, I need the gym. Me too, I have a husband. Me too, I have... You know what I mean? It's like, what makes you more special than I am? So your excuses, I really don't care. Oh, there wasn't a lot of a lot of customers today. That's not my problem. I was still here and I was in my job. So pay me my money. Period. Point blank. As a beauty influencer, it's the same thing. This week alone, I've received, I cannot even count how many ambassador messages that I receive. They get you all like, they try to get you all excited, all pumped. They try to get you all excited, all pumped. Oh, we would love for you to be our ambassador. Na 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 na. We love your page. We find you absolutely stunning. Na 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 na. And then they tell you, oh, please pay for this. B, how is it that you only have like 1,000 followers? I like double you or triple you, and you're asking me to be your ambassador for free. Not even free products, like literally free. I'm paying. Basically, no, you're asking me to pay you to be your ambassador. Where does that make sense? Make it make sense, y'all. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Cause it, like, come on, y'all. I understand it's a pandemic. We're all struggling. I totally understand. But make it make sense. And exactly, it's a pandemic. We are all struggling. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. I cannot. I'm thinking of really truly starting the conversation and doing like maybe a weekly thing or a monthly thing, just talking about these things, relationships, money, dating, self-empowerment stuff, like, all that good stuff. More positivity. We need more positivity. What do y'all think? Tell me in the comments, please. And y'all don't forget, if you guys want to talk about any subject that you find that, that is not spoken of enough, please give me some ideas. Write them in the comments. Feel free. I think I'm going to start doing it on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram is @thegenieiam. Go follow me now. So once the series start, you guys could catch it and we could talk about it here. Cut crease on point. Cut crease. On point. As you guys can see, I press, or if you want to call it patting, I pat my color on because I want my pigment to really pop. And not fade out. And now I see that I'm creasing a little bit. So what I'm going to do is use this flat brush and get rid of the crease, because if you apply eyeshadow on a creasing lid, it's going to set the crease into your lid. So you want to make sure you get rid of the crease or the creasing before you add eyeshadow. Y'all, this pandemic situation, seriously, like, we don't really have a choice to make peace with it, or we'll just be miserable every day. But oops, it's been quite hard for me because I normally go visit my family. And yesterday I spoke for close to 2 hours with my mom. I miss them so much. So basically, 2020 was like, you're not visiting your family this year. No, you ain't. So one thing I quickly understood with this pandemic, don't push anything for later, y'all. Whatever it is that you want to do, just get it done, period. Do not push anything for later, because you never know. Later may never come. That's the biggest mistake we do, is push things for later. Later may never come. So don't. Stop pushing things for later. Things that you could actually afford to do now. Don't push things for later. Don't do it. Don't do it. Take it from me, y'all. Don't do it. And now it's time for a wing liner. I'm so not great at doing a wing liner, but you know what? We're gonna kill it today, because you know why? Because y'all are with me. Y'all are with me, period. Let's do it. And we did it. I love y'all. I love y'all. We did it. We did it, period. We did it, period. Trust me, y'all. If you guys want to be good at something, just do it. Just do it. You could read about it. You could write about it. You could dream about it. You could talk about it. Until you do it, it serves no purpose. Like it could live in your thoughts forever, in your imagination forever. Until you get hands-on, you're not going to get anything out of it. Y'all see how sexy this is? And I think a red lip would be bomb. Because I tend to do gloss all the time. Like, another thing for y'all. Please comment down below. What is your favorite part doing makeup? What is your favorite part of makeup? My favorite ultimate part of makeup is complexion. And then my second favorite is contouring. We don't like that. And my worst favorite, and comment down below what your worst favorite is. My worst favorite is lipstick. Legit. But yesterday I did a look with the Red Lippy by BYX Cosmetics, and I am in love with that lipstick. So we're gonna smack this baby on again today. I just had the hardest time to apply these damn lashes. I had to do it off camera because y'all did not want to see or hear what I was saying when I was trying to put these lashes on. They were taking forever. I should have primed, but I'm not really going anywhere, so it's okay. Just making sure this baby's blended properly. One thing, y'all, is very important when it comes to makeup. Trust the process. Whatever it is, trust the process. Trust that you know what you're doing. Trust that everything's going to be all right. It's not the end of the world. You can fix it. Just trust. And y'all can see also that you can actually use foundation to contour and highlight or conceal. If you don't have concealer, you could use a lighter foundation. Now let's go ahead and set with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 30. I never usually bake, but now we're going to bake because I find that this technique needs to be baked. But I really almost never bake. I am going to use Annabelle, which is also a drugstore Canadian-based, Montreal-based to be more exact, blush. and I'm going to lightly use it as a setting kind of powder and also as blush for the foundation that already basically contoured my cheekbones. We're going to take a little bit of setting powder and we're going to let the nose bake in peace while we finish the look. Let's leave that alone. Clean up everything else. This look really needed to bake because of the technique that I used, the darker foundation. And I find that it works out. I've been loving this palette by Pastel Maroc. Let me glow with this. Indeed. All right. Okay. Okay. Now let's do the lips. Y'all, wait till this lipstick dries. It is so pretty. It is so pretty. I'm a sucker for a red lip, y'all. I'm a sucker for a red lip. I don't even know what I'm going to wear. Give me a few minutes. I'll be back. Alrighty, dighty. So this is the finished look. Look at this lip, y'all. I'm not even. So basically every product I used were all drugstore products. Just like some products you could only get online. So the BYS Cosmetics or the Pastel Maroc Cosmetics, you could only get it offline or online because it's Moroccan. If not, then the Maybelline products that I used, you could definitely get it absolutely everywhere. And what else did I use that wasn't Maybelline? The Annabelle Cosmetics, you could get it at Jean Coutu if you're in Montreal, or you could get it online because it's a Montreal-based brand. And that's about that. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below which new looks or other looks or different looks that you guys would want to see. And I'll see you very soon. I love y'all. Don't forget to subscribe. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Notification bell. Turn it on. Sorry. Turn it on. Love y'all. Deuces.